Ever wondered why Booker T makes all those sound effects on commentary during Stephanie's matches, especially during her signature Devil's Kiss move? Well, the answer has finally arrived. Booker T said in an interview with Denise Salcedo that he makes those sound effects not for himself, but for Stephanie. He says all the sound effects and other things he says on commentary during her matches is to shine a spotlight on her because he thinks she's really awesome. Booker T said that he honestly didn't see Stephanie becoming as much of a breakout star that she has become, but he's loving it and will keep saying those funny things on commentary to bring more light and attention to Stephanie herself.